Introducing the new and improved ReadSpeaker DocReader. So what's new? DocReader's toolbar is easy to navigate. For a simpler view, some tools have been moved from the top toolbar to an expandable and collapsible dynamic toolbar. Open it by clicking on the More Tools button. DocReader now has a better, more robust highlighter tool. Users can make different colored highlights in documents to better organize their thoughts. Highlights are saved in the user's browser and can be collected into a new PDF document. DocReader now has a dictionary called Word Lookup. This tool instantly reinforces and expands vocabulary so that everyone understands your content. DocReader has more language support than ever. ReadSpeaker DocReader can read documents in any of the languages in your account and supports more than 50 languages. The user interface is available in 19 languages. In addition, the documents are shown with a much higher quality appearance, making them even easier to read. Interested in learning more about the new DocReader? Feel free to contact us at contact@readspeaker.com or by visiting our website at readspeaker.com.